Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by getting a neutral baseline. Wash with a gentle cleanser so product buildup won't hide your natural pattern. Once rinsed, squeeze excess water and pat dry. Don't brush yet. Make sure you wait 24 to 48 hours after heavy styling for accurate volume and texture. Now separate a 1/2-inch section near the crown and let it fall naturally. This first section will show your base direction and whether strands lie flat, bend, or coil. Next, you analyze pattern and elasticity. Inspect several zones, crown, sides, nape, because hair can vary across the head. Once done, take a single strand and stretch it gently while damp to test snap and elasticity. This tells you resilience and damage level. Then check porosity by placing a tiny water drop on the strand. If it absorbs fast, porosity is high. Make sure to note whether the dominant pattern is straight, wavy, curly, or coily. This is your hair type. Finally, combine pattern, elasticity, and porosity to assign your hair type. If most strands lay flat, you're straight. S-shaped bends indicate wavy, defined spirals mean curly, and tight coils suggest coily. Once classified, plan care targeted to that type. Hydration for porous hair, protein for weak strands. If things go wrong, confusing mixed patterns, treat zones separately. Use heavier creams on the drier areas and lighter products where hair lies flat. And retest after 2 weeks of consistent routine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.